Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. When you do videos for promoting your business, you typically don't want to do anything that has to do with the timing of things, so that if you're talking about taxes, everybody knows that that's generally during tax season. But it is during tax season, so I'm going to talk a little bit about that. So I had a conversation with one of my clients today. He had to write an additional check for taxes for over $60,000. Now, mind you, he'd already paid $200,000 plus had $27,000 withheld from his paycheck. We'll call this guy Roger. Roger's got a very successful business. All in all, he made almost $900,000 this year. So the conversation I had with him had to do with how unfair it was that the IRS was taking all of this money from him. And I want to tell you that I have the same conversation with people who owe $5,000, because their $5,000 is maybe more dear to them than the $60,000 is to my client Roger. But the same things apply to both taxpayers. And the first thing that's important to understand is that the top 1% of the earners in this country, and that includes my client Roger at $900,000 in earnings, pay 37.8% of all the taxes. So when you hear all this hype about eliminating taxes and everybody crying about it, it may come from that top 1%, but it's also coming up and down the line, and it's coming from taxpayers who don't pay any tax. So you need to take this into account and understand more about who's paying income tax in this society. And secondly, you need to understand what the options are when you're making money. So if you're out there making $25,000 a year, you can turn off this video and the next couple of them I talk about, because you're going to be upset if you pay $3,000. And the fact of the matter is, the lowest 50% of the taxpayers, 50% of you only pay 2.8% of all the taxes. Think about that. The lowest 50% of the taxpayers, which probably includes some of you that are making $20,000 a year and getting a child care credit and things like that, this isn't for you, because you're only paying 2%, 2.8% of the taxes anyway. So if you want to learn what it's like for the upper echelon, well, you can listen to this and I'll be glad to tell you. If we can help you though, give us a call. Thanks.